this wonderful main floor makeover. Benjamin Moore's Sharon Grech walks us through the paint choices that help to make the decor flow.
The original house had a traditional layout with lots of separated individual rooms, but the homeowner has completely opened it up and created a much more contemporary space. Here in this grand foyer, I love the slate in this herringbone pattern. It's very practical. I love the color so much that we brought it up onto the wall with Conte from Benjamin Moore's Century collection. So Century has a really nice feel, which is the perfect backdrop in a foyer to this gorgeous antique trestle table. What used to be the dining room is now a lovely little lounge that's open to this fantastic kitchen, which is so perfect for entertaining. This has been the biggest transformation by getting rid of all the dark cupboards, replacing it with white, opening it up with no upper cabinets and lots of lower drawers. The darker cabinet color on the island is a really nice feature, but we added just a hint of color on the walls, titanium. Now, with less storage, in a sense, a great idea is to use your dining room area to really add some more, and in this case, she created a nice buffet, which is perfect for serving guests as well as hiding a lot of things in the drawers. Now, the dining room is continuing with simply white, which is used throughout the rest of the house, but for the original fireplace that was in the living room, she painted it with Black Panther, and I think that's a nice way to draw out the architectural features but bring a bit more of a contemporary spin. The only other thing that's original in here is the ceiling, and I think it looks perfect. The original golden oak staircase looks 150% better painted out with Black Panther. I used latex floor and patio paint for the entire thing since we were painting the steps, and I really love the satin finish of that product. Here in the great room, the biggest change was the fireplace. I love that the homeowner changed the old stone to something much more contemporary, streamlined, and we painted it to create a little accent wall with Conte. I love how that black just sets off against this whole wash of white.